Hi, I'm Mike from Sinopé Technologies, and congratulations! Your home is now protected by the Sinopé Water Leak Detection System 24/7. The system will be able to tell you water leaks even before they happen. In the next few moments, we'll go over the functionalities and show you how it all works. Basically, the detectors that you put around your unit will talk directly to the water valve. If there's a water leak, or as soon as a water leak is detected, it will shut off the valve automatically, thus preventing costly water damage. Your installation includes 1 or 2 smart valves based on the number of water inlets you may have in your home, smart water leak detectors with or without sensors, 1 backup battery to keep everything running even during power outages, and you may even have a smart plug with your system in case of leaks around your washing machine. Here's where your devices are located. The valve is installed on your home's main water supply line. It's usually located in an access panel or near the water heater. Detectors are placed near high-risk areas like the toilet, bathroom, or kitchen sink, the washing machine. For these types of hard-to-reach places, the detectors come with a probe and a near water heater. A rechargeable backup battery is plugged into a wall outlet and connected to the water valve. The Sedna valve is at the heart of the Sinopé leak detection system. It communicates with all the detectors deployed in your unit. As soon as a leak is detected, the valve shuts off the main water inlet. Even during a power failure, thanks to the backup battery, your home is protected. The detectors are powered by AAA lithium batteries, which are easily accessible. They are equipped with electrodes that detect water leaks. The detector can also warn you if the temperature drops to 5 degrees Celsius. When a leak is detected, an audible alarm can be heard coming from the detectors. Once the Sedna system has been installed in your unit, download the Sinopé Neviweb app and log in using the temporary password provided in the invitation email sent by your building manager. You can change this password later. Quick tip: you can create sub-users to share access to your account with family members such as spouse or children. With the Sinopé Neviweb app, you can control your Sedna system remotely, check the status of your device and batteries, and receive alerts in real time. Here are the type of alerts you might receive. A water leak has been detected by the kitchen detector. Low battery alert: the detector's batteries need to be replaced. A low temperature alert is a warning when a temperature drops below 5 degrees Celsius. A sensor disconnected alert occurs when the detector's remote sensor has been disconnected. So what happens if a water leak is detected? Let's say, for example, that the kitchen detector picks up a leak in the unit. It sounds an alarm and sends a signal to the valve. The Sedna valve immediately shuts off the water supply to prevent water damage. You and your building manager will receive an alert indicating location of the leak. You can then go to the site to assess the situation. If you happen to by mistake wet a water leak detector, don't worry. It could happen when you're mopping. Just make sure to pick it up and clean the leads and dry them. Once it's dry, you can put it back in its place. After that, all you have to do is on the application, open your valve again to make sure you have water. You can do that on the valve itself as well. Don't forget, if you have a smart plug as a part of your system, to turn that on too. So now, all your belongings are protected 24/7. You got complete peace of mind. And if you need more help, reach out to us at sinopetech.com. Our support team is always ready to help.